Okay, so for number 11, we have a situation going on. So we have an angle, and then we have another angle. Okay. Oh, well, the supplement technically would be the other angle. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw this out. So it says supplement. Don't forget supplement means part plus part equals 180. Okay, so one of the angles, we'll just call it Y. And then the other angle, it says, so we'll call that one, well, no, we won't call that one Y. And then it says that it is, the angle that we're looking for is 20 units less than its supplement. So this one's going to be 20 units less than its supplement. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up. So we have part, and let me use different colors, sorry. Okay, so that's going to be y plus y minus 20, and that equals 180, right? So that's one part, that's the other part. Okay, so we're going to combine like terms, so that's going to be 2y minus 20 equals 180. Add 20 to both sides, we get 2y equals 200, which means y equals 100. Okay, so this angle on the left is going to be 100 degrees, and then this angle on the right is 100 minus 20, which is 80 degrees. Okay, so which angle are we looking for? It says find the measure of an angle if its measure is 20 units less. So which one is less? The 80 degrees is less. The 20 units less. Or 20 degrees less, sorry. Okay, so that was that one. Number 12. Ray YW is a bisector of XYZ. So that means it's cut in half. Okay. So that means this is a part equals part problem. All right, so I set up the equation, part equals part, and solve for x. All right, once you solve for x, plug it back in. X, Y, Z. Okay, that's the whole thing. So the whole thing, X, Y, Z. That's this one right here. So what we're going to need to do is plug X into both of these and then add them together. If we did our job correctly, these should be equal. 66 plus 17. Yeah, that's 83. All right, so since we did that correctly, we just add them together. So 83 plus 83, 166 degrees. All right, number 13. Find the measure of an angle if its measure is 24 degrees less than twice that of its complement. Oh, this one's complementary, sorry. So this one is part plus part equals 90. Okay, so let me make an L. Okay, so we have an angle. Okay, so I want to call this one Y. And then this one is going to be 24 less than 2 times its complement, which is y. All right, so now we're going to set it up. All right, so part plus part equals 90, so that's going to be y plus 2y minus 24 equals 90. And we're going to solve for y. And divide both sides by 3. We get 38. So y is 38 degrees. So this one's going to be 38 degrees. And then this yellow one over here, that's going to be 2 times 38 minus 24. $52. Okay, so which one is it asking for? It says find the measure of an angle if its measure is 24 less than twice its complement. Okay, so that'll be the 52 one. Okay. Number 14, if MAT and TAP are supplementary, which statement is true? Well, let's take a look. All right, so supplementary means part plus part equals 180. And these are the two angles I'm looking at. So part plus part equals 180. Let me fill in what goes here. Okay, so that'll be answer choice B. Alrighty. I'm going to set up number 15 for you, and you're going to need to do it for yourself. So it says point G is on the interior of angle HOT. So this is angle HOT. HOT. And then it says point G is on the interior, so we'll just put G somewhere inside. Okay, so there you go. And it says that HOG is this one, and GOT is this one. All right, so and then the whole thing is 55 degrees. So the whole thing is 55 degrees. So this is going to be a part plus part equals total or whole. All right, so the two parts are yellow and pink, and then the whole thing is the green. So when you set it up, make sure you put them in the right spot. And then solve for x and plug it back in for the yellow one, because the yellow one is HOG. All right, number 16, AR bisects BAD. Let me draw that out. So we have angle BAD over here. Okay, and then it says, since it says bisects, I tried to put it as close to the middle as I could. Okay, so BAR is 2x plus 10. BAD, the whole thing, is 8x plus 4. And then we need to find RAD, which is this one right here. All right, so this one's going to be a little weird. We're going to do the best we can. All right, so we know that part plus part equals the whole thing. I know it says bisects. Okay, I know it says bisects, and normally that would be part equals part, but we don't know the other part, so we can't do that. So we got some options here. Okay, so you should know that this angle plus this angle will equal this angle. So we could do part plus part equals the whole thing. Something else you could say is, well, we know that we could take half of this and put it there and then do part equals part. We could do that. So we do have some options here. I'm just going to try to do part plus part equals total. So since I know they're equal because it says bisects, so since it says bisects, they are equal. So let me go ahead and do that right now. So that's going to be 2x plus 10 plus the other 2x plus 10. So I add these two together, and then that's going to equal 8x plus 4. All right, and then just type this into NSolve or solve for x. Okay, so we get 4 equals x, and then we're just going to plug it back in for RAD. And oops, plus 10, sorry. And that should be 18. And just to be sure, I'm going to, plug it into this one. 6. Okay, we're good. So 18 plus 18 is 36, so we're good. I don't know why I thought that was going to work. Okay, there you go.